Our water got shut off to our house, so we're gonna have to take Beckham to the doctor. People are so curious, and I guess I've never even talked about it. Sit your crusty dusty hand out of here. Well, we're going to the doctor's again. Today Jay set a doctor's appointment for Beckham and he forgot about it, and it was like an hour later and he's like, hey, sorry, I forgot that I literally scheduled a doctor's appointment for today. So we're gonna have to take Beckham to the doctor. Really sad what happened. Hello! Did you eat all my blueberries? This is what happened to Beckham's finger, you guys. We got some lovely, oh.
Beckham, wash hands so fast.
Don't. Tommy's been freaking throwing the remote at me, telling me to play Bluey. Good? Okay, let's go. The next morning, Jace forgot to take my camera when he went to the doctor's, so he didn't film what they said about Beckham's finger. As we thought, they gave him an antibiotic, and I'm gonna go pick that up today after I drop him off at school because it wasn't ready yesterday. Our water got shut off to our house. It's been quite the last couple hours, 8 hours. So last night me and Jace were watching a show and he goes outside because he was dealing with the sprinklers yesterday. Like the whole front yard is completely flooded in water. He turned off the sprinkler and it just kept pouring out water into the yard. Must be coming from the main pipe, so we had to turn off the main line supply or whatever. So we didn't have water last night. It was a struggle. And now I have all these dishes that I need to wash, but I have no water. It's been quite the morning. And we got Tommy here eating a banana. See banana? Nana! Raven is cutting out her friends.
Yeah.
We got home, the guy came and looked at our plumbing for our house, and unfortunately we have to replace like the whole line, and it's gonna be like $5 grand to do that. So just super frustrating and stressful. Okay, we got home from picking up Beckham. I have to give him his antibiotics, so that's what we're gonna do. This is his first time taking it.
Does that taste good?
I don't know, I've never had it.
I have a smell.
Smells good.
I'm afraid.
Okay, drink it.
Mm.
Good?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. It's the next day later tonight. Our house is a mess. We got our water back on yesterday because Jace did like a little temporary wrap on it. I went to Trader Joe's because we needed more milk. We got a lovely 6 gallons of milk now. Got some blueberries. I'm obsessed with these. The kids are obsessed with these. I think I got like 5 or 6 of them. 12 of these. Get your crusty dusty hand out of here. These are my favorite. They're the Think Keto Protein Bar Chocolate Peanut Butter Pie. Tommy's making me share with her as usual. You can't be in my video because you don't have no clothes on. Thank you. Big shocker, Mommy's getting a package. You wish it was you getting a package. We gotta clean up, yo. I thought that I would clean our windows out there and then give a little tour of our big renovation here that we have. So let's clean first because we got kid prints all over the glass everywhere.
What you think you're doing?
Wow, thank you.
You're doing such a good job, honey. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
So amazing.
If you remember what it was before, this whole thing was a window that stopped here. Then we took it down to the ground and turned it into this giant double sliding door. But that's the deck door. So it opens from there, and then this one also slides open all the way. Here's what we did. Jace built this giant wall. This is Beckham's. Beckham drew on this like 2 days after they put the stucco on, so we're gonna have to take that off. We turned it into this little walkout little porch. We have the glass railing on all sides here. So yeah, that's our little deck area coming out from the door looking this way. Wraps all the way around. You got the wall opening, it's like all open up there. We still have to do stuff with that. That's like blinds that we're getting rid of. And then our Christmas wreath is here. Still have to finish. We're gonna paint this, all the brick that's red, we're gonna paint it either like a light gray or maybe white. I haven't decided. But then we have to touch up there with the siding. And then we just have our nice little sitting deck area here. So I'm so excited to like put chairs here, maybe like a big plant right here, maybe some little chairs, maybe like a sectional or a bench here or something. I haven't decided. As you know, we recently replaced all the windows in our entire house. Hopefully we can do like a before and after, like side by side. I eventually am gonna do an updated house tour. If you wanna watch our old house tour, I'll put it here because we've made a lot of changes since then. It's always grown and adapted in here. I got my package though. Start drinking these. I got 21 starting today. I'm doing 1 a day. Ooh, it's cold. For 21 days drinking beet juice. I gotta pee so bad. I'm just gonna take 1 drink. Ooh, that's good. Apple, lemon, ginger, and beet. Good morning, guys. We're running late. I got an appointment for the ladies to check up today. We're in a hurry to go to our appointment, so let's go. Had a little accident on the freeway, so I'm 10 minutes late, so I'm gonna run in real quick and then I'll give you an update on the booby situation when I get out. I get a robe on, undressed. This is a look. Back from the appointment and everything went good. The only issue is still this right boob just needing to drop more. I'm having a little bit of pain, mainly like underneath my incision, and it's not the incision, it's like the muscle under there that just hurts, and then up in the armpit. But overall, it's been so much better. I've been doing my daily massages, massaging that titty out. I'm gonna sit in my car and wait for my sister to come for like 15 minutes. I'm gonna edit some stuff. And then we're gonna go get either food or shopping or both. We haven't decided. That is on the agenda for today. I'm like literally pooped. Happy birthday. Oh. Happy birthday. Being annoying, and I'm gonna film her with my camera and my phone because she hates when I do that. Happy birthday. Hello. Hi. This is my sister. To open it. I'm surprised that I'm only shopping for kids stuff at Zara. Got stuff at H&M. One last stop is Sephora. Now we're gonna go get some lunch. Alright, I forgot to film because things got a little bit hectic because I had to drop my sister off fast and run back to pick up Beckham. So there's Jace unplugging our car. Got Beckham picked up. We were just chilling at the house for a little bit, and now we're going to my sister's dinner with my family. And we're going to Cubby's. We just got done with dinner. Are you going night-night? See? Night-night. Baby number one is down. We just got Haven and Beckham to bed. Forgot to show Beckham's finger update. He's been on the antibiotic for like 2 days now, 3 days. So I'll show that in the morning. Right now I'm eating my grapefruit and then we're gonna go to bed, so good night. Okay, these are Beckham's fingers a couple days after his antibiotic. They look so much better. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, do so already. Oh, this is the skin, by the way. Love you, bye.